guys, Sonya from Cherry Creek Mortgage here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about renovation financing. So if you're considering renovating a home, this is a great time to look into it. With interest rates as low as they are, it's hard to pass up the possibility of being able to fix up your home and get it to be everything you want it to be with a super low rate attached to it. But there are a variety of ways that you can actually renovate a home. You could look at a renovation loan itself, where you're going to cash out on your home in the equity position. You could look at a standalone renovation loan, where you keep the mortgage you have, but you just do a separate loan that will cover the cost of renovation. Or, believe it or not, you can even contact some of the big box stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. They will often finance those projects. So if you're looking to renovate a kitchen or a bathroom, believe it or not, they actually can have some good financing deals. So there's a variety of ways you can accomplish the goal. But all these, I think, are, at this time, with rates where they are, good things to look into if you think your home needs a little sprucing up. So if there's anything I can do for you or my team, always feel free to reach out. Take care.